Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a hot topic that's taken the digital world by storm, NFTs. You've probably heard the hype, maybe even seen a pixelated monkey sell for millions, or perhaps you're just here wondering, what's an NFT and why should I care? Well, buckle up, because we're about to uncover the truth about NFTs and answer the big question, are they worth it? Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button if you're new here. We're all about making Web3 and blockchain fun and easy to get. Trust me, you won't want to miss this wild ride. Let's kick things off with the basics. What is an NFT? NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token, which sounds like something a tech bro made up to sound cool. And honestly, maybe it is. At its core, an NFT is a unique digital certificate that proves you own something, like a piece of digital art, a song, or even a tweet. Picture it like a rare trading card, but instead of hiding it in a binder, it lives on the blockchain. Think back to those Pokemon cards you trade at recess. NFTs are like that, except digital and sometimes worth more than your house. Each one's unique or non-fungible, meaning you can't swap it for another and call it even. Now I can hear you already, wait, why pay for a JPEG when I can just screenshot it? Fair point. But here's the twist. Buying an NFT isn't just about the file, it's about ownership. It's like owning the original Mona Lisa versus a postcard from the gift shop. Anyone can see it, but only you can say, yep, that's mine. Okay, time for a quick tech detour. Don't worry, I'll keep it chill. NFTs are minted on a blockchain, usually Ethereum, which is like a massive, unhackable ledger tracking every transaction. When you buy an NFT, your ownership gets logged there for the world to see. It's like carving your name into a digital tree. Secure, permanent, and kinda cool. Plus, the blockchain lets creators earn royalties every time their NFT gets resold. Imagine selling a drawing and getting paid again years later when it's traded. Artists are out here like, finally, the system works for me. So what do you think? Pretty neat, right? Or are you still skeptical? Stick with me, we're just getting started. Now, why are people so hyped about NFTs? For creators, it's a game changer. You can sell your art, music, or even virtual land directly to fans. No gallery or record label required. And for collectors, it's a chance to own something truly one of a kind in the digital realm. Plus, NFTs are unlocking wild new ideas, like virtual concert tickets or video game gear you can trade. It's like the internet finally grew up and got a job. And let's be real, owning a rare NFT gives you ultimate bragging rights. You can flex on your crew like, oh, this, just my $50,000 digital ape. If you're loving this breakdown so far, do me a solid and hit that subscribe button. We're halfway through and there's more Web3 goodness coming your way. But hold up, it's not all pixelated perfection. NFTs have some downsides we can't ignore. First, the environment. Minting on blockchains like Ethereum can guzzle energy like a gamer chugging Mountain Dew. That said, greener options like Tezos and Flow are stepping up, so it's not all doom and gloom. Then there's the market. NFT prices can swing harder than a pendulum on a roller coaster. One day you're a millionaire, the next you're broke. And don't get me started on scams. The NFT world's got more sketchy characters than a bad reality show. Rug pulls, fake projects, you name it. Quick tip, if a random DM offers you a rare NFT deal, run. What's your take? Are the risks worth the rewards? Drop it in the comments. So, where are NFTs at now? Back in 2021, the market went bananas. Billions in sales, with CryptoPunks and Bored Apes leading the charge. Things have calmed down since, but in 2025, NFTs are growing up. We are seeing utility NFTs. Think tokens for exclusive clubs or real-world assets, not just pricey profile pics. Still, those pixel punks are raking in millions, so the art vibe's alive and well. Where do you see NFTs heading? Hype train or slow burn? Let me know below. Alright, the big finale. Are NFTs worth it? It's tricky. Creators, huge win. Control your work, cash in directly. Collectors, if you love the thrill and can handle the risk, go for it. But here's the deal. NFTs are still babies in tech years. There's hype, sure, but also tons of potential. My 2 cents? Don't bet your life savings and research like your grandma's on your case. What about you? Are you team NFT or nah? Let's chat in the comments. There you go. The truth about NFTs, they're not just a fad, they're a peek at the future of creativity and ownership. But they've got baggage. Scams, volatility, you name it. Love them or hate them, NFTs are sticking around and I'm pumped to see where they take us. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more Web3 deep dives. Got NFT stories, epic wins,